Use garlic in the toilet to solve an unpleasant problem with just one ingredient. First, crush a clove of garlic using a garlic press directly into the toilet bowl. Then, prepare the toilet brush by securing it under the toilet seat and pouring dish soap over it. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour 1 cup of regular vinegar into the bowl. Vinegar effectively removes limescale buildup and contains acetic acid that kills bacteria and microorganisms. It also neutralizes bad odors, keeping the toilet fresh longer. Scrub as usual and see how it cleans and disinfects. This natural cleaner saves you money and helps the environment. Using natural ingredients like garlic and vinegar ensures you're avoiding unnecessary toxins in your home. Try this method regularly for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to maintaining a spotless toilet. Take some Coca-Cola and toothpaste. Watch what I'll do with them. Grab a roll of paper towels and start tearing off pieces. Fold those pieces and place them on the surface of the toilet bowl. Line the entire inside, ensuring the towels stick to the bowl and don't fall into the water. Now take the Coca-Cola. Open it, but don't drink it. Pour the Coca-Cola over the paper towels inside the bowl. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Once the time is up, come back and remove the dirty paper. Now scrub the bowl with a toilet brush. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which help dissolve limescale, rust, and other grime. For an extra shine and freshness, squeeze some toothpaste directly onto the bowl and scrub again. The toothpaste not only brightens the surface, but also leaves a pleasant scent. Enjoy a sparkling clean and fresh-smelling toilet with this simple method. With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Place the sponges in the washing machine drawer and pour this liquid. This trick will make your washing machine last for many years without any malfunctions. Soak the sponges with it and put them in the washing machine. You likely often overlook the detergent drawer when cleaning your washing machine. Moisture in its uncleaned corners causes mold to develop, leading to an unpleasant odor over time. This sponge trick will clean your washing machine the fastest. Take a sponge and remove its rough side. Place it in the detergent drawer. Do the same with the second sponge. Soak the sponges generously with vinegar. They should be well saturated. Close the drawer and wait 10 minutes. Then run the washing machine on a short cycle. During the wash, the vinegar is evenly released from the sponge, thoroughly cleaning the drawer as well. I repeat this process once a month, and as a result, my washing machine is always clean, and the clothes taken out of it smell fresh. Throw coffee into your toilet. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. This is a simple and cost-effective way to create a useful bathroom cleaner. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is great for absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda for its cleaning properties. Pour some vinegar into a glass, as it is well known for its disinfecting abilities. Add the vinegar to the bowl with the coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution thoroughly. Once the mixture is ready, you can use it to clean your bathroom. Pour the entire mixture into the toilet. Let it sit for a while to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Then scrub as usual and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaner, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. You don't need to install an expensive air conditioner. This kind of fan can cool the entire apartment. Just take a regular fan and also prepare a styrofoam box, preferably one intended for food purposes. You will also need 2 plastic pipes. Using a pen, trace the ends of each pipe onto the lid of the box. This is important because you will insert the plastic pipes there later. Then, using a heated tool, make holes in the lid. Do this carefully so that the box is airtight once the pipes are inserted. Now prepare the next part of the air conditioner. Take 2 large bottles, such as those used for beverages or water. Cut them so that the upper part remains intact. Then, attach the bottles to the previously prepared pipes, which you can reinforce with tape for better airtightness. If the pipes have plastic ends, cut them off. Use the heated tool again to make 2 holes in each bottle. It is important that they are opposite each other. Pass the pipes with the bottles through the prepared holes in the lid of the styrofoam box. Attach the bottle ends to the fan using zip ties, one on the front and the other on the back side of the fan. This air conditioner is almost ready. All you need to do is put ice into the container. The more ice you use, the colder the air that will be blown out. Just a few seconds after adding the ice and turning on the fan, cold air starts blowing. The effect is amazing. It works like a real air conditioner. This kind of air conditioner is a lifesaver on hot days. You will avoid a large expense and can enjoy air conditioning at home.